Welcome to Next Kid Genius.
Aluminum. This is aluminum. Gold. This is gold. Are you a good child? Then press the subscribe button. Silver. This is silver. Copper. This is copper. Iron. This is iron. Are you a good child? Then press the subscribe button. Titanium. This is titanium. Platinum. This is platinum. Zinc. This is zinc. Are you a good child? Then press the subscribe button. Nickel. This is nickel. Lead. This is lead. Tin. This is tin. Cobalt. This is cobalt. Are you a good child? Then press the subscribe button. Chromium. This is chromium. Tungsten. This is tungsten. Manganese. This is manganese. Magnesium. This is magnesium. Are you a good child? Then press the subscribe button. Cadmium. This is cadmium. Beryllium. This is beryllium. Vanadium. This is vanadium. Bismuth. This is bismuth. Antimony. This is antimony. Mercury. This is mercury. Palladium. This is palladium. Are you a good child? Then press the subscribe button. Rhodium. This is rhodium. Ruthenium. This is ruthenium. Osmium. This is osmium. Iridium. This is iridium. Are you a good child? Then press the subscribe button. Gallium. This is gallium. Indium. This is indium. Rhenium. This is rhenium. Selenium. This is selenium. Are you a good child? Then press the subscribe button. Tellurium. This is tellurium. Germanium. This is germanium. Thallium. This is thallium. Lanthanum. This is lanthanum. Neodymium. This is neodymium. Samarium. This is samarium. Gadolinium. This is gadolinium. Yttrium. This is yttrium. Zirconium. This is zirconium. Hafnium. This is hafnium. Tantalum. This is tantalum. Niobium. This is niobium. Scandium. This is scandium. Cerium. This is cerium. Dysprosium. This is dysprosium. Are you a good child? Then press the subscribe button. Erbium. This is erbium. Holmium. This is holmium. Lutetium. This is lutetium. Terbium. This is terbium.